Have you ever tried not to think about something, only to end up obsessing over it even more? Like when you keep telling yourself, I must not fail. And yet, despite your best efforts, that thought seems to take over your mind. Why is it so hard to get rid of negative thoughts? The truth is, our minds work in fascinating ways. They don't process negation. The more you tell yourself not to think about a problem, the more your brain brings it to the forefront. So how can we truly free ourselves from these heavy, negative thoughts that hold us back? In this video, we'll explore a counterintuitive but incredibly effective approach to transforming your relationship with negative thinking. Not by fighting it, but by learning to replace it. Get ready to discover how to take back control of your mind and let positivity flourish in your life. So, how can we manage negative thoughts if we can't simply eliminate them? The solution lies in adding positive thoughts. Instead of telling a child, don't fall, you could say, hold on tight. Instead of thinking, I must not fail, it's better to say, I will succeed by focusing. The mind works like a river. You can't block the flow, but you can redirect it. In meditation, for instance, if you focus on trying not to think, you might amplify the stream of thoughts. On the other hand, if you direct your attention to deep and rhythmic breathing, the mind naturally calms itself. Here's a simple exercise. Inhale deeply for 5 seconds, hold your breath for 2 seconds, then exhale for 5 seconds. This practice helps redirect your thoughts towards something constructive. Over time, negative thoughts dry up, like weeds left unattended in a garden. This process takes practice, but it's highly effective. By cultivating positive thoughts and nurturing what uplifts you, you'll notice that negative thoughts naturally fade away. Try it, and you'll see for yourself how transformative this can be in your daily life. Negative thoughts are an inevitable part of the human experience, but they don't define who we are or what we can achieve. Instead of fighting against them, the most powerful approach is to redirect them and cultivate uplifting positive thoughts. By understanding that our mind responds better to addition than subtraction, we can transform the way we think and approach challenges with greater calm and confidence. Each time you choose to nurture positive thoughts, you take a step toward a clearer mind and a more fulfilling daily life. Take the time to practice simple exercises, like mindful breathing, and observe how your mental state evolves. With patience and persistence, you'll realize that your mind is a powerful tool capable of helping you create the life you desire. So why not start now by building an inner garden where positive thoughts can flourish, and negative ones, like weeds, no longer have a place? If you found these tips helpful and want to discover more inspiring content, consider subscribing to this channel. By hitting the notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Thank you for your support, and remember, every small step counts on your journey to a more positive mindset. See you in the next video.